We are here at Jimmy G's Cheese House, steak,
Cheesesteak.
Cheesesteak House. We're here with the people. We're hanging and we're ordering some, some eats and stuff like that. We got Denise over here. Get in the picture. We're gonna stand there. She's just standing there like, what? What's up with you?
Sorry. Jeez.
Sure.
And right now we're waiting for our Philly cheesesteaks to be made. As a matter of fact, here is a small window showing us how they make the Philly cheesesteaks. Cool, huh? Come on, come in. Like, y'all are
Get in the picture.
y'all not gonna introduce yourselves or anything?
Yeah, well, have a YouTube channel.
Anyway, we're having lots of fun here, and we had this amazing walk when we arrived here, and this is the best fun we ever had, right, Dad?
Yes. No, this is not the best fun we ever had, but this is one of the best times that we had. So, just chill out.
Just for the summer, yeah.
There'll be more adventures, so just hang around.
Stick around, have fun, sit down, have some popcorn, and enjoy the show. Anyway, we're gonna start enjoying our Philly cheesesteaks in a little while. Enjoy the show.